Our group has developed an autonomously navigating robot which can operate in a known constrained environment. Here you can see that a destination is given using the graphical user interface. Upon giving the goals using the graphical user interface, the robot will be able to move on its own towards the destination. Here you can see how the robot moves towards the destination. The robot is able to calculate the curvatures in the road automatically and also avoid static objects and successfully move towards the goal. Here you can see the mapping phase of our robot. This mapping phase is done prior to giving the navigation goals for the robot. A remote controller, which is only used during the mapping phase, is used to map the area of the robot. Here the LiDAR data is taken into the robot's control system and the mapping happens automatically. The robot is being driven by a remote controller and it is collecting data of the surrounding objects around it while moving and map the places around it. Here you can see that the yellow places are the parts where the robot will be able to travel, and the black parts are where the obstacles or objects are present during mapping, and the black parts are where the robot will not be able to travel due to the presence of static obstacles. Here you can see that upon driving the robot automatically, the mapping is done by its own, and the robot using that map will be able to move on its own. This map can be saved and reloaded on request for the robot to move. Here you can see that the robot is able to avoid an incoming car in its path without crashing into the parked cars on the side of the roads while moving towards the goal. Here you can see that the path planning happens during the movement. The blue line shows the planned path of the robot and the red line shows the GPS signal or the GPS movement from the robot's GPS signal. The robot successfully moves towards the goal without any help autonomously. Here we can see that the robot is slowly moving towards its goal. Now you can see in the planned path that the robot is able to move towards the goal and reach the goal. And through the red line, which gives the GPS coordinates of the robot, we are able to ensure that actually the robot reaches the desired destination that we have given using the graphical user interface.